Okay, this is a single handle Price Pfister bathroom faucet. I don't know if you could see, but it's leaking right out here. I noticed it actually had pooled on the back of the sink and drained onto the floor. So to fix this, it's actually pretty easy to do. First off, Price Pfister has a lifetime warranty on all parts. It's probably a bad cartridge or some mineral deposits inside the cartridge or something in there. So step one, first thing you want to do is turn the water off down below. So we'll turn the water off down here. Perpendicular's off. And once you're done doing that, the next thing you want to do is open it up and let out the pressure. I also actually close the drain so in case I drop something down, I don't lose it and end up cleaning out the drain. There's a Price Pfister name tag right there. Back a little bit. And you can probably pop that out either with your fingers or with a small screwdriver. And holding the video, I don't know if I could do this. Careful not to scratch it. Let me get somebody to hold this camera. So once that little name brand thing is out, then you're going to use a 3/32 hex key. Get in there, loosen up the hex in there. Oh, that fell off inside there. The handle should slide off. Handle slides out. Let me get the hex out of there. Actually, I'm going to take off this decorative piece here. There's the hex key. Right there. And then this piece right here is a cartridge. So this is like this brass piece here is loose. Then there's a cartridge, hot cold, and they mix together. It actually looks really clean. The gasket's really nice in there. I think this whole thing is actually fine. I'm actually just going to put it together and see if this stops the leak. This does have to go down a certain way. Those two pins right there go in the back. There it is. That's seated correctly now. Because as I turn the stem, it's not moving. So that's seated correctly in there. Put this retaining ring back in. I get it finger tight. Then I use a pair of channel locks. I like smooth channel locks. I'm not going to crank it hard. I'm just going to put it a little bit past finger tight. Certainly do not want to strip this. So that's just a little bit, that's just snug. Not too snug. Everything still moves nicely here. I'm going to actually turn the water on now. Well, open, see if I have any leaks. I think that's it. I think that's fixed it. The decorative brass on there. I'll just reverse the process. Put the handle back on. Put the set screw back in. And button it up. So again, that's a Price Pfister single handle bathroom faucet. If you have a leak up the top. The other issue is it could be that cartridge, and that's easy to replace. Okay.